can't stop, won't stop, get guap. 10 white toes and them toy flip-flops. Manicures and pedicures, I'm always tip-top. When they say I'm not hot, all these lies need to stop. Cause I'm icy, wifey, haters wanna fight me. Never been the one get RP up on a white.
Hey YouTube, it's your girl BRAIDS, and I'm here for another hair tutorial for you guys. I want to show you guys how I created this beautiful goddess box braid look. Took me 2 days to do this look. Of course I took plenty of breaks, so you guys could easily do it in one day if you are just like sitting there braiding non-stop. But yeah, I've had this in for like a month, so this intro that I'm recording is way overdue, but this is what it looks like at a month old. As you can see, they still look pretty good. Like, I'm gonna definitely be leaving these in my hair for a lot longer. Let me show you guys how long. I'm gonna try to show you guys how long it is. I don't know if you guys will be able to see this in the camera, but they go like down past my butt here. You can see the ends are curly. I'm gonna insert a picture of the two types of hair that I use for this tutorial. I know one is the EZ Braid types, and if you guys have watched any of my previous videos, I use that braiding hair all the time. And this is like the curly hair. This is by Freetress that I use. This is what it looks like when it was brand new, but sorry, I don't have like the picture or nothing in this package anymore, but this is what it looked like brand new. And this is the curly hair now. I don't have any problems with tangling or anything, but of course I don't comb through it or anything like that. Like, I just leave it be, literally just wake up and go. Like, I just tie a scarf around the front of my hair and usually just throw it up in like a ponytail or something and then just go. I've gotten this hair wet, I've been to the beach, I've been ATV riding, pretty much done anything you could possibly think in this hair, and it still looks good in my opinion. I'll probably leave it in my hair probably for at least another 2 weeks, cause yeah, they're still pretty tight, like especially in the middle. My hair slips mostly around the perimeter. I have really soft hair, so it slips mostly around the perimeter. I did redo a couple braids in the front that were slipping out pretty bad, but other than that, the braids in the middle feel pretty good. So yeah, I'm gonna leave this in for a while. What else? Not really, nothing else I really have to say about the hair. I'm gonna just go ahead and get straight into the tutorial so you guys can see how it's done.